When you see this alarm when booting up the machine, that means there's a scale problem. But don't panic. I will show you a simple temporary fix to get your machine back online and continue work until you have time to get it properly fixed. This will take only a few minutes of your time with easy access to the machine and no special tools required, on most machines anyways, and it saves you a lot of downtime. First thing you have to do, you have to shut the machine down. I made it to the side of the machine where the X-axis drive is located. If it would be the Y-axis, you have to go, in this case, on the machine. Any other machine might be different location. Worst one in these machines would be the Z-axis, because you have to, this is a very heavy table, you have to hook it up on a hoist, take the belt off and move it up by hand, and then it takes a little bit longer and a little bit more involved, but you can get away with it altogether if you just leave the machine running. But with the power prices today, I don't want to even do it. I take the belt off, and now I via the stepper motor, I move the machine manually to a point where she will hopefully start up. Sometimes it takes a couple tries, sometimes you get it right away. Always depends on the scale where it's located. So I moved it all the way to the end on the other side, because I know that's my sweet spot on that machine. I lift up the motor, put the belt on, put a little bit of tension on it, and tighten up the bolt. I got myself a torque wrench to torque them up properly. Let's try it again. While the machine is rebooting, I will show you how a scale looks like and why this most of the time happens. Here's a typical scale. It's just a piece of aluminum where a glass scale is inside, and there's a lip in there, and when that lip gets old and hard and not close anymore after the reader head, then you get dirt in there and contamination, and then you pretty much have to clean it up or replace it with a new one. This is for a different machine. The machine booted up. Now it's time to put voltage on all the drives, see if the alarm went away. And as you can see, the alarm went away, and since I moved the axis to a different position, it will ask you, hey, is that position okay? And you say sure, because I have no idea, and I'm pointing and turned my compressor off so it's a little bit quieter, so just move the machine. Okay, all the axes work fine. X-axis, Z-axis. All right, everything is okay. This pretty much temporary got your machine going, and most of the time it works for a while. If you don't shut the machine off, it will probably work for a long time, but the underlying problem still exists, and that problem I will pretty much cover separately.